hear nothing? That's suspicious.
You know what? She makes garbage music.
That's weird.
But she seems like a cool person to hang out with. The fuck? The fuck? Seriously? Come on, you piece of shit! The amount of fucking chargers I have to go through. Oh my god. Damn it! Time to look up some shitty YouTube tutorial videos.
So might be in your phone the case will be different, like your key will be different. So
I can't understand a goddamn thing he's saying. Alright, Mr. MJ Tube, that was not helpful whatsoever. Time to look for another video.
And yes, आज का जो topic है वो है Samsung के phones में क्या बदलाव आ
This
गए
one's not
हैं
even
और क्या
speaking
इसका
English.
अभी भी सबसे बड़ी problem.
Come on, come on. There has to be a white male. Last time I checked, this was America.
Untuk Oppo A92 ya. Jadi pertama-tama kita download aplikasinya. Jika selesai installnya,
Is there one where there's not a fucking woman singing in the background on a tutorial? The fuck is that? Oh, the fucking ads.
Gives you easy access to the right.
Yo guys, what is up? It is Triple Game Insurance coming at you with a brand new video, and today I'm going to show you how to fix.
Nope, nope, nope. Coming from someone that's doing ninjutsu hand signs.
ज़रूर से बताना and हम यहाँ पर इसी वजह से आए हैं क्योंकि Realme कुछ
Why? Why is the title in English when this man's not speaking English? You did it last time. This is gonna be my last search for tutorial. There has to be one. Okay.
So, your charger's messed up and you need a new charger. Quite annoying, isn't it? Well, have I got the solution for you, mate, and you ain't gonna believe it. Guess what? Get a new charger, cunt! It's not that hard! Alright, so thank you for viewing the video.
You know what? Fuck it. Just getting a new charger. Because apparently that's the solution. How much are they again? $10? I can get that at the corner store. Might get a bag of chips while I'm at it. The Madro for this head.